case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1966, the Vermont Supreme Court heard the case of Gerety vs. Poitras, which dealt with the issue of whether a court of equity should intervene if there was already a way to get relief in a court of law. The dispute arose in 1964 when the plaintiff and defendant entered into a contract for the purchase of a ranch home. As part of the agreement, the seller was required to fix any major water problems with the spring under the cellar floor within 2 years of purchase. On October 14, 1964, the plaintiff discovered a significant water issue and asked the defendant to make the necessary repairs. The defendant refused, prompting the plaintiff to file for specific performance, requesting that the court order the defendant to complete the repairs. In response, the defendant argued that the plaintiff had a sufficient legal remedy through damages and filed a motion to dismiss the case. Initially, the Chancery Court denied the motion to dismiss, leading the defendant to appeal the decision. The Vermont Supreme Court examined the sufficiency of the plaintiff's petition and ultimately sided with the defendant. The court held that the plaintiff's petition for specific performance was dismissed since there was an adequate legal remedy available for the breach of contract claim. The case highlighted that in situations where a legal matter can be resolved through damages, a court of equity will not intervene.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.